Do you sometimes feel like you just gotta get away? I have a few ideas for you. Come with us as we show you 33 vacation spots across the USA.
Make ready, fire!
While home can be a sanctuary, if you don't get out and explore, it can feel like a prison.
Still stuck in this house with a mind full of doubts. Tired of staring out the window, eating too much, drinking too much. Tired of watching the grass grow. Month 2, month 4, can't take it anymore. I got to get my feet out the door. So put me on a train, I don't care where it's going. Fly me on a plane, maybe out to Wyoming. Need an RV, no plans, just you and me. I need to go somewhere. I need to go somewhere.
As you ponder about what to do, where to go, a look back on our last 30 travel videos, where we showed maybe some bucket list regions for you to explore, from the turquoise coastline of Florida to the Great Lakes to the redwoods of California. While drones is a big part of what we do, a drone can only show so much. So we really want to get into the scenery, on the ground, in the water, with a variety of methods. We have traveled by ATV in Lake Tahoe and the Valley of Fire, by helicopter in Orange Beach, Pensacola, Myrtle Beach, Lake Tahoe, and into the Grand Canyon. For you see, there are so many ways to see the USA.
I don't even care, just anywhere the wind blows. Helicopter, moped, golf cart, minivan, skateboard, cruise ship, submarine, DeLorean. Listen, Karen, I'll even ride on my rollerblades. I need to go somewhere.
So, when you just need to go somewhere, how about a prop plane over Lake Mead and the Hoover Dam on the way to the Grand Canyon?
Don't you want to live out your wildest dreams? 'Cause right now, we've got everything that we need.
Or try ziplining in Virginia Beach, Mackinac City, in Vegas over Fremont Street, or Heavenly Valley.
No time to waste, no better place to be.
You can travel by incline railway in Pittsburgh or Chattanooga. Take a train ride in the Poconos in Pennsylvania. Have you parasailed on Biscayne Bay in Miami? Or over Lake Huron in Michigan? Or Lake Tahoe?
Requesting permission to land.
Perhaps an open-air Hummer ride at the Grand Canyon, where you can also ride a mule. Maybe a horse ride in the Poconos. Or a camel ride in the desert around Las Vegas. Maybe just a merry-go-round at Myrtle Beach. A gondola up the Sierra Mountains at Heavenly Valley. Then down the mountain on a ski slope in winter. Or in the summer, the Ridge Rider Mountain Coaster with a great view. Up another gondola at Telluride. This one is free. Then down the mountain on a bike. But be careful, don't get too crazy like me.
We could wander as far as the eye can see. I wanna take you with me. Where do you wanna go? Imagine the way it could be if life was an open road. Come on and take it easy. See the whole world up close. Let's get lost in the great unknown.
Nothing like water to refresh the mind. So we always like to show you plenty of boat tours. Everything from a casual pontoon in Winter Park, Florida, to something a little faster like a speedboat in South Beach or Virginia Beach. Maybe a jet boat in Myrtle Beach. Or on the Great Lakes in Mackinac City. For even more of an adrenaline rush, try a banana boat in Virginia Beach or Gulf Shores, Alabama. For sightseeing, a riverboat on the Three Rivers of Pittsburgh, or on Lake Mead in Nevada. Try an airboat tour in the Everglades or Orlando. For some exercise while enjoying nature, try some kayaking in Central Florida or on Oklahoma's largest lake, or the clear waters of Meeks Bay in Lake Tahoe. And coming soon, a 3-video series of Highway A1A along Florida's East Coast, from Amelia Island to Miami.
So let us have some fun. Oh girl, you know we're one. Two of us, one on one. Leave it up when you can. Oh. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Feel it, feel it, feel it. Feel it, feel it, feel it, feel it. Feel it, feel it, feel it.
Every time, every day, anytime, anywhere.
Many times we had to use the legs to show you the trails. Well, I shouldn't say we. Really, it was just me, as Bella mostly gets a free ride. I'm the one doing all the heavy lifting.
Bags are packed, are you ready to go? This time tomorrow we'll be on the road, riding with you into sunnier days. I wouldn't want it any other way.
So whether it's by air, land, or water, we want to show you the many ways to explore the nature. My desire is for you to be able to enjoy your getaways more by using our travel promos as a guide to give you ideas. For it is so often you that give me tips and ideas that help us to create these videos. Please feel free to let me know what you would like to see in the next year. Not only what places to go, but what types of scenery. What are the things you like to do on your getaways?
Taking the good with the ups and downs. I wanna see how the world turns round. Let's go adventure in the deep blue sea. Home is with you wherever that may be. Home is with you wherever that may be.
After all that physical work, gotta do some goat yoga just outside of Tampa. Probably the most simplest way to explore, something that everyone can do, is just by car or RV. A road trip on the scenic highways across the USA. Here are some of our favorites.
We're taking the high road. I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I give you the fall, spring, singing a song. We're taking the high road. We're taking the high road. We're finally awakened. We're taking the high road.
One of the most scenic drives, the Pacific Coast Highway. Got to give our West Coast followers some love, since I spent the first 20 years of my life in California. Maybe do a complete Highway 1 video soon. A couple of highways, but not for the faint of heart. First, California Highway 89.
Hearts are wayward, sun is swollen. Rest tomorrow, the ways unfolding. Oh, we're taking the high road.
And then there's the $1 Million Highway in Colorado.
Finally awakened, we're taking the high road. I'm setting the sun, I'm ready to run, I'm walking a tightrope. I give you the fall, spring, singing a song. We're taking the high road. We're taking the high road. Finally awakened, we're taking the high road.
There's also the Kankamagus Highway in New Hampshire. This is really good to do in the fall. We did this the second week of October. The color's really popping. It will have you feeling good.
I got the feeling when the windows roll down in the car. I got the feeling if I wanna fly, I know that I could. I got a feeling.
in the Overseas Highway in the Florida Keys.
It's all feeling good. The sun will show the way. I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away. I don't need to knock on wood. The time is on the side. Let's all enjoy the ride. I gotta feel it.
By the way, working on a contract to do another Florida Keys video in April of 2024. As we near the end of our video, I want to show you some of our city skylines. Just a reminder that we also film the cities as well as nature getaways. Really want to do Boston in the fall. Enjoy this 40-second urban interlude of some of our great American cities. Coming soon, we are looking to do a possible 3-video series of Hawaii, as well as Alaska. Also in February, South Padre Island, Texas, if weather is good. And working on contracts for Nassau and Atlantis in the Bahamas for January 2024. Want to film more drone and road footage as we rely on stock footage to help pay for these trips. And in October, looking to do another Fall Colors tour in the Northeast, like what we did in our Maine, New Hampshire, and Vermont videos. If you would like to hire us to film your city, region, or resort, contact us at info@tampaaerialmedia.com. Where else we will go will depend on weather, as always, and on those who hire us to film, and even your suggestions, and ultimately God's grace and direction. For in his heart a man plans his way, but the Lord determines his steps. As a great philosopher once said, life is like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're gonna get. I make these videos for you, our YouTube travel community, and therefore always welcome your ideas. I so much appreciate your tips, your support, both your kind words and your critical words, as I always want to improve, to provide a good experience for you, the viewer. Now I'm gonna close out this video with a 5-minute montage of some of our favorite shots in the most requested music. So, I hope I've given you some good ideas. What are you waiting for? Start planning. Get on Google Maps. We always give detailed info in the descriptions of our videos to help you plan your getaways. You don't always have to go to another country. There is so much to see in this great country. Support our American travel industry. And if you are able to, be generous with your tips for our service workers. To quote another philosopher, life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while. You could miss it. Hope to see you on the road. And if you see us, make sure to say hi. Always love meeting you. While home can be a sanctuary, don't be a captive to your house. Get out, explore nature, refresh the mind, meet new people, do little acts of kindness for others. It will have you feeling good.
I gotta feel it. It's all feeling good. The sun will show the way. I know the road to take. Throw all our cares away. I don't need to knock on wood. The time is on the side. Let's all enjoy the ride. I gotta feel it. It's all feeling good. I gotta feel it. It's all feeling good. Oh, 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 oh. waving goodbye to our worries. So we run wild and free. We're not ever slowing down. We run, we're chasing down the dreams we found over the rivers and mountains, deep in the heart of the sea. We know adventure is calling, so we run wild and free. Somewhere, go, 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 somewhere, go, 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 somewhere I need to go. So put me on a train, I don't care where it's going. Fly me on a plane, maybe out to Wyoming. Need an RV, no plans, just you and me. I need to go somewhere. So put me on a train, I don't care where it's going. Fly me on a plane, maybe down to New Orleans. Help me find a Cadillac, I'm Jack Kerouac. Riding a bike like Dick Van Dyke. Hyper drive it all around like Han Solo. I don't even care, just anywhere the wind blows. Helicopter, moped, golf cart, minivan, skateboard, cruise ship, submarine, DeLorean. On a horse and a Porsche, on a boat with T-Pain. Swim like a mermaid, maybe all the way to Spain. Listen, Karen, I'll even ride on my rollerblades. I need to go somewhere. I need to go somewhere.